When you search for air fryers without Teflon, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really understand what's worth your money, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Paris Hilton 6-quart air fryer. Let's kick things off with the Paris Hilton 6-quart air fryer. Priced at $99.99, this sleek white model caught my eye instantly with its modern design and touchscreen display. If you want healthier cooking without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. This air fryer boasts powerful 1700W air circulating technology that claims to reduce fat by up to 75%. So if you're worried about greasy meals, here's why this matters for you. It means you can enjoy your favorite fried foods without the guilt. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, allowing you to cook plenty at once. Plus, with 8 cooking functions including pizza and dehydrate, it covers all bases. Now, some users have mentioned that the touchscreen can be a bit sensitive, which might frustrate you. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the convenience of having all those functions right at your fingertips is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you love versatile cooking options and want to keep things healthy. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional knob control over touch. Overall, for the price, it offers excellent value for a stylish air fryer. Now, if the Paris Hilton's touchscreen sensitivity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Kasari 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Next up is the Kasari 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer, also priced at $99.99. The sleek dark gray design is not just pretty, it packs a punch with innovative TurboBlaze technology. If you want quick and crispy results, this one's definitely worth considering. This means you can achieve that perfectly crispy texture you crave, no matter what you're cooking. Plus, the PFAS-free ceramic coating ensures a healthier cooking experience. With over 19,800 reviews and a 4.8-star rating, people are clearly loving it. However, some users found it a bit noisy during operation, which can be a deal-breaker if you like peace and quiet in the kitchen. But honestly, the results are so good that many would argue it's worth a bit of noise. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance air fryer that can do it all in a compact design. Skip it if noise is a major concern for you. For the price, it's an incredible option that doesn't compromise on quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those short on space. Product number 3, Bella 6 QT Slim Air Fryer. Now let's talk about the Bella 6 QT Slim Air Fryer, priced at an appealing $79.99. Its space-saving design immediately caught my attention, making it perfect for smaller kitchens. If you're tight on space but still want to enjoy fried favorites, this is a great option. This model features an Evergood ceramic nonstick coating that is free from harmful chemicals, making cleanup a breeze. It can hold up to 5 pounds of food, which is excellent for family meals. The adjustable temperature and 6 cooking presets mean you can whip up a variety of dishes with ease. With a 4.6-star rating from 3,700 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, some have noted that it lacks a detailed manual, making it a bit tricky for first-time users. But honestly, once you get familiar with it, the ease of use outweighs this minor hiccup. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, efficient air fryer that doesn't compromise on functionality. Skip it if you prefer a more detailed guide on cooking various meals. For the price, it's a fantastic deal for what you get. Now, if the slim design isn't quite what you need, the next product might be just the ticket for a more versatile cooking experience. Product number 4, Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 Glass Air Fryer. Coming in strong is the Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 Glass Air Fryer, priced at $157. This one's unique with its glass containers and multifunctionality. If you want versatility without sacrificing health, this air fryer is worth your attention. It includes a 4-quart power pod and 2 glass containers, allowing you to cook, store, and transport meals in one go. Plus, with its toxin-free cookware, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your meals are safe. It's rated 4.6 stars with over 6,500 reviews, a testament to its popularity. That said, some users found the glass containers a bit heavy, which could be cumbersome for some. but I think the benefits of a multifunctional device that can go from oven to table outweighs this minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one air fryer that can make meal prep easier. Skip this if you prefer lightweight appliances. And at this price, you're getting a lot of versatility for your money. Now, if you're looking for something that balances power and user-friendliness, the last product on my list might just fit the bill. Product number 5, NutriChef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer. Last but definitely not least is the NutriChef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer, priced at $84.99. This one caught my eye with its transparent fry bowl, making it easy to monitor your cooking. If you want a straightforward appliance that delivers results, this is worth checking out. It has adjustable temperature settings and multiple cooking presets, making it super versatile for various dishes. Plus, it's rated 4.6 stars from 2,400 reviews, which shows it has a solid reputation. Some users mention that the basket can be a bit tricky to clean, which is something to consider. But honestly, given its performance and price point, many feel that it's still a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an effective air fryer without all the bells and whistles. Skip it if you want a more complex machine with more features. It's a great value for your money. To wrap it up, we've covered the Paris Hilton, Kasari, Bella, Ninja, and NutriChef air fryers. Each brings something unique to the table, from high versatility to space-saving designs. No matter which you choose, you're making a healthier choice for your meals. Happy cooking!